Today, the World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic, and stocks tumbled again on Wall Street amid coronavirus concerns. The dire warning from U.S. health leaders today. And breaking right now, Governor DeSantis is expected to speak at any moment from the state capitol. Once again, the governor's office did not say what this particular news conference would be about or what he would address, but it comes after the state announced 8 new cases of coronavirus last night. Good afternoon. I'm Greg Warmith.
And I'm Martha Sagowski. None of those news cases was here in Central Florida. We have a live look right now from Tallahassee, where the governor is expected to speak at any moment from the Capitol, where state lawmakers are currently in the legislative session. We're going to bring you the governor's news conference live once it begins. But again, we are waiting for Governor Ron DeSantis to step in front of the podium and bring us the very latest on the coronavirus. Now, over the next 2.5 hours, you'll hear from our team of reporters across Central Florida and in Washington, D.C. They're digging into every angle about how leaders are handling the coronavirus. We begin right now with Channel 9's Lauren Seabrook, who is joining us in the studio. Lauren, the coronavirus has reached a new level today. It is now considered a pandemic.
And Martha, the last pandemic was 11 years ago when the H1N1 flu was spreading worldwide. You may remember SARS and Ebola making headlines for months, but neither of those ever became a pandemic. The CDC defines diseases in different levels based on how widespread they become. COVID-19 has been considered an epidemic since it became widespread around China. An epidemic is a sudden increase in the number of cases of a disease above the normal level for that area. It then becomes a pandemic when the epidemic spreads over several countries or continents and impacts a large number of people, and when it's spread person to person, causing significant illness or death on a broad worldwide scale. To put it simply, epidemics are common, pandemics are not so common. Also today, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announced the CDC would be providing $27 million to Florida to support our state's response to the coronavirus. It's dispersing $560 million across the nation. Also, in just the last 30 minutes, we learned the University of Florida and Florida State will shift to remote classes online for at least 2 weeks. That has quickly become a trend across the country, so we will likely see other schools and universities in Florida doing the same. Martha.
All right, great information, Lauren. Thank you. Health officials say 3 of the Floridians who have tested positive for the virus work for a company that greets cruise ship passengers in Fort Lauderdale. The employees work for Metro Cruise Services of Port Everglades. Health officials are asking everyone who's passed through the port to monitor themselves for symptoms.
And we are following breaking national news. The stock market plunged again today as investors wait for a broader response from the White House to the economic damage from coronavirus. The Dow Jones closed down more than 1,300 points. Also in the last few minutes, President Trump said he is going to deliver a prime-time address tonight on the federal response to coronavirus and the pandemic. Thousands more coronavirus cases have popped up around the world. We'll cover that for you live here on Channel 9. And ABC's Trevor Ault reports here in the U.S., many more communities are canceling events and public gatherings.
As the spread of the novel coronavirus accelerates around the world, today the World Health Organization declaring this is now a pandemic.
We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction.
More than 120,000 people have contracted the virus worldwide. In Italy, more than 2,000 new cases confirmed overnight, including nearly 200 new deaths. And in Iran, the semi-official Fars news agency says 24 government leaders have contracted the virus, including the country's vice president. Here at home, senior Trump administration officials blaming China for a slow global response.
It probably cost the world community 2 months to respond, and those 2 months, if we'd had those, I think we could have dramatically curtailed what happened both in China and what's now happening across the world.
In the United States, concerns of the spreading virus leading to a wave of cancellations. Major universities like Ohio State and UCLA, and in New York, the state and city university systems are all scrapping in-person classes. 3 counties in Washington state banning public gatherings of more than 250 people. San Francisco setting their own limit at 1,000 people, meaning the Golden State Warriors will now play in an empty arena.
We would recommend that there not be large crowds. If that means not having any people in the audience when the NBA plays, so be it.
Trevor Ault, ABC News, New York.
The Secretary of Health and Human Services also said this is just the beginning of the spread. The Trump administration says millions of tests have now been sent out so that any doctor who needs to test for coronavirus can do so. I did ask a local doctor here today, and they still have not received their kits, though. Well, growing anxiety surrounding the coronavirus outbreak is hitting airlines especially hard.
Yeah, this morning, United announcing the decline in passengers could soon be twice as big as the one seen after 9/11. United has seen a 70% drop in domestic bookings. Other airlines are cutting flights and starting hiring freezes. Major airlines have also announced they're disinfecting planes more frequently in a hope to reassure passengers. Well, local allergists say they are also fielding calls almost every 20 minutes from people with questions and concerns about coronavirus. So we asked what questions they've asked and what allergy patients need to know. We're putting that part of the story together for you coming up at 4:30. You can also find more resources and all of our coverage on COVID-19 in our special coronavirus section on WFTV.com. And if you have more questions about the coronavirus, remember you can call the Florida Department of Health. The number is on your screen right there. 1-866-779-6121. The center is now open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.